विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. नावेलीच्यान मडगांव वचपी फ्लायओव्हराची स्थिती सामकी गळगळ्याक आयल्या. ह्या संदर्भात संबंधित प्रशासनाकूय कळीत केल्ले, मात कोण काना मनार घेना. ह्या पुलाची स्थिती सगळ्यांच्या नदरेक हाडून दिवन सरकाराक हाच्या दुरुस्तीकरणाक पावल उखलपाक लावपाक गोवा कॅन संघटनेन धरणे काढले. RDX Goa Bureau Report.
We are here from Goa Can today, all the volunteers, to protest the bad condition of this flyover or the overbridge that is here going from Naveli to Margaon. Last year on the 6th of July, Goa Can had written a letter, that is 2016, had written a letter to the STM, the then STM Ajit Panchwadkar, to convene a meeting of all the stakeholders to find out what is happening with this bridge as it was deteriorating. He convened a meeting in July, on the 29th of July if I am not mistaken, and PWD did not attend that meeting. But then he further convened a meeting on the 21st of October and they had come in there, and we kind of like found out that nobody actually owns this bridge as such. The KRC has built it with their money and handed it over to the government, but no department has responsibility as such for this bridge. Only the maintenance responsibility is being held by PWD NHAI division. So at that time, last year in 2016 in October, they told us that they will have to appoint consultants and decide how to repair the bridge. Again in this year, on the same day, that is 6th of July 2017, we wrote again to the Deputy Collector, now who was Uday Prabhudesai, and he convened a meeting on the 21st of October. And in that meeting, the NHAI PWD division had clearly mentioned that consultants had already been appointed and that very shortly this bridge would be repaired. Now on the 29th of November this year, the South Goa District Road Safety Council met and I was invited to this meeting. I brought this issue up again there, and the PWD NHAI division, some other officers were there, different to what were there at the Deputy Collector's meeting, and they said the consultants have already inspected the bridge and in 15 days they would repair it, because the material for the repair of this bridge has to be brought from Bombay. Now I don't understand what kind of material they are going to repair it with. But now it is 1 month since they gave us this assurance, and till today nothing has happened. So we have decided to protest this thing. Also I had mentioned to them, that I don't understand this culture of consultancy. If we have good engineers in our PWD division, why do we need consultants to tell us how to repair our roads or how to repair our bridges?